This is a live look at Denver, Colorado this morning, where a travel alert has been issued ahead of a big snowstorm today. And you know, they know how to handle snow there, so if they're issuing a travel alert, it's a big one. Mariel Ruiz, this is above and beyond what they're used to this time of year.
It sure is, and not only is it kind of late in the season, but it's the biggest snowfall of the season, at least so far, and still snow falling anywhere along the Rockies and the Front Range. That's not the only issue, though. Still, severe storms across areas of Missouri into the Midwest, so we're tracking both of those things this morning. Those will cause some travel delays early on. But look at the Rockies. A winter storm warning, winter weather advisory still in place. Already accumulated half a foot of snow in some spots. And again, that snow is not done. Before the end of the weekend, we could see an additional 2.5 inches to 5 inches of snow across I-25 there in Colorado, and close to a foot of snow in areas like Telluride. That could be a potential. Now, if you are traveling today, the potential for severe weather not only in Texas, it also goes into areas of Arkansas and the Midwest. We'll be watching it closely for you. The threat for hail and tornadoes there today, Cleo.
Oof, all right. Thanks there, Maria.